Hey, this is Z. Today is November 10th, and we've got the foundation going. You can see the skid steer loader in the back here. We've got the posts, or the blocks for the front porch installed. We've got the second unit blocks in, and you can see we've got a load of gravel here, and now they're loading the gravel into the foundation. And right here we've got, this is a blue foam board here. That's for foundation installation here. I'm gonna watch myself on the construction site. Now they're loading the like I said, they're loading the gravel in here, and as you can see, they've got a spot here that they left open so that they can come in and load the gravel. So they don't just have to dump it over, and they've got a way to get the machine in and out. So we are now probably a week or so behind schedule. I'll go over how to create a schedule in another video, but we're about a week behind, and one of the reasons is because when I ordered the cinder blocks, I called in, and my project manager had ordered the blocks, and I called in to pay for them, and when I paid, I only paid for one of the buildings. I didn't realize there were two, or they didn't ask me. I just said, hey, I'm going to call them to pay for these, and so that set in a chain effect where they dropped off one set of blocks but not the other, and then by the time they could actually, we figured it out, and then we could get the people back to do the finish off the blocks. That put us about a week or so behind. So just little things like that. It's easy to lose time on your schedule. Additionally, I know that our I think I said this before, but our trusses are going to take longer to get here than we thought. So that's going to put us back. So this may not, being late here may not affect us too much, because we may have been delayed by the trusses. But in any case, that's where we're at today, November 10th. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.